Hello there and welcome. This is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here today because I have an April exclusive thank you gift offer for you. Each month I release some sort of cool thank you gift as my way of saying thank you for placing an order with me. The minimum purchase required is $50 to obtain this goodie, and it's actually broken into two pieces. So those that order 100 or more get an additional gift. Okay, so we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you. These are the cards that you will receive. These actually will be card kits. They will not be finished cards. So you'll get all the pieces to create both of these cards. And I also provide an exclusive video tutorial showing you how I've created the cards. So I thought it would be fun to focus on the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper, which is actually going away at the end of March. But I've hoarded enough that I'm going to be able to supply it for this card kit all the way through April. Also, you'll get all the pieces that you see here. They're going to come and you get 2 of each. So you get 4 total. Now, if you place a $100 order or more, in addition to the 2 card kits or 4 card kits, you're going to get the kit to make this cute little bag and these epoxy enamel dots that are glittery. I love them, and I used them actually on the cards. So you'll get a pack of those plus the little bag with a $100 order plus the 4 card kits and the 4 envelopes to go with the cards. I always like to provide envelopes to go with my cards because, you just don't want to be without envelopes. So that's my offer for the month of April, but it starts on March 23rd or 23rd. And I hope you have an amazing day. And if you want to see more videos from me, or if you have any questions about my special offer, you can click on either one of the images you see here. You can click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel. And you can also visit my website at loveandstampin.com. And to shop, you go to loveandstampin.com. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.